Princess Noemi B. Fiesta. Charity B. Fiesta. Lia Jarina Manuel. Vince Johan J. Habileonar. Kyle Cyrus Edrada. Yema Kit C. Ule. And Karin Sofia B. Laman.
Awan na. Compress. Genting galing.
May we also acknowledge the awardees of Most Cheerful Award. These are Catriona P. Rivera, Karin Sofia Laman, Precious Kate Marquez, Raymond M. Garrett, Denise Faith I. Ulet, and Charity B. Fiesta. May we also acknowledge the awardee of the special award, Mr. Liam
Dabay? Awanin?
For the major award, may I request the NSTP advisors to please come on stage together with the NSTP project leaders. May I read to you the citation. This certificate of recognition is hereby awarded to for demonstrating meritorious performance, exceptional technical aptitude, and consistent dedication, thereby earning the distinct of top performer in home economics, food service management, and technology. This award is conferred in recognition of the recipient outstanding mastery of competencies demonstrated during community-based learning program titled Empowered San Pablo, a life skills extension initiative aimed to enhance literacy and developing essential life skills, given this 18th day of April 2026 at Barangay 20 San Pablo, San Nicolas, Ilocos Norte, Philippines, in testimony of their pursuit of excellence in vocational and technical education. Project leader signed. The top performer in home economics, food service management, and technology is Miss Charity B. Fiesta. Congratulations, Miss Charity Fiesta. Next award is the top performer in garments, fashion, and design technology. You are Mr. Kyle Cyrus Edrada.
And the next award is the top performer in electrical technology. And
in Information and Communication Technology, Computer Hardware Servicing. You are Vince Yuan J. Javillonor. May please remain standing on stage because we will be awarding also our special awards. These are the 3 special awards. Friendly awards goes to 3 students. These are Miss Kathleen, Miss Micah, and Miss Ashley. Let's give them a round of applause, please. Miss Micah and Miss Ashley. Thank you, the instructors and awardees.
May I call on the DSEO officers and advisors to give the token of appreciation for the students. President, Mr. Lawrence D. Adaon.
Headed by their president, Mr. Lawrence Nathaniel Adoon, together with the DSEA advisors, please come on stage to give the students of their token of appreciation. First 5 daw po. First 5. Wait here. 1. advisors to receive the certificate of sponsorship together with NSTP advisors. Please remain standing as this organization will receive the co-sponsorship certificate from the NSTP students and advisors. Together with the PCA advisors, please. Thank you. May we also request the NSTP advisors and NSTP project leaders to give the certificate of appreciation. A round of applause, please. May I read to you the citation? This certificate of appreciation is presented to Technology for Career and Enterprise Association for its invaluable support and generous sponsorship of the community-based learning program entitled Empowered San Pablo, Integrating Knowledge, Skills, and Service for Community Empowerment. Given this 18th day of April 2026 in Barangay 20, San Pablo, San Nicolas, Ilocos Norte. Project leader, sign.
Compress, guys!
Now, may we call on Mr. Nathaniel Dave B. Gatchoyan, NSTP instructor, for acknowledging the presence and support of our barangay officials, headed by their Punong Barangay Honorable Noel Joaquin. Let's give him a round of applause, please.
Naimbagabigan tayo amin. Good morning, guys. Good morning, students. Okay. Again, naimbagabigan ka na tayo amin. Dahil ito yung kanitoket saan laing apa, palagpatingga. No diket may sa apa nagkapit, iti buken ti sirip, kinalaing ken ayat, anay imula, iti uneg ti tanluwa bulan. Naragsak kami mga ipaay, iti daytoy analayraya pamadayaw, ken kablaaw kadagiti amin anagbalita adigi ken silaw iti daytoy a programa. Kas may sa alabak ng atalo, saan ang mabalin nga agapi no awan ti daga a pagbulaan. Iti komunidad ti Barangay 20 San Pablo, San Nicolas, Ilocos Norte, iti babaen iti pananginada ulo ni Honorable Noel A. Joaquin Kastamit dagiti kaming iti Sangguniang Barangay. Si kayo ti nagbalin apagtaingaan ti gaget, pagtaingan ti gaget, ti sariket ket anangawat kadagiti estudyante mi abuyugen ti giren. Ti San Pablo ket saan laeng a lugar, kundi ket may sa pagmati, at di palagkay-kaysa mangted ti balay. Itilain ken piksa sa gitipala ka masursuro, Mr. John Amico Diombao, Kasmet ken Miss Mary Dale Soriano, together with the TSEA advisor, Sir Christian Jeff Balintek, dakayo tinagbalin, or datayo tinagbalin, at timon, iti panaglayag. Mangiturong kadigiti ubing, itinasayaan ang masagbayan. Walwa Sabado, upat, apulong ang oras ang panagserbi, binukelyo, tibilig, tigaget, ken imbag ti kaasi. Okay? For my last, or to conclude my statement, actually, I did not prepare a speech because haan nga minsan ko ang mga sa unang tatangal daw. Nibangalang namin kanya. Okay? Iti daytoy nga aldaw or bigat, ikor itmiti panagyaman, iti puso ni itong galmaysa. Ti empowered San Pablo, ket saan laing amay sa programa, I repeat, no di ket may kel ti masagbayan. Talubulan iti nabalabas, anapuon, gapot tignayo, gapot ti kagetyo, napaliwag ti sir mata, ken tignayo. Uray pagpatinggana itagay ito yung programa, tisirib ken ayat ang talinaid asinibiyag iti San Pablo, Ilocos Norte, Adaga. Diyos tiyagnina kada tayo amin, agbyag ti Barangay 20, agbyag ti Empowered San Pablo, agbyag ti agtutubo, naranyag ti masakbayan mo.
Thank you very much, Mr. Nathaniel Dave Gatchalian.
Now, may we call on Punong Barangay Noel Joaquin to receive the Certificate of Appreciation and to give the certificate
of appreciation, may I call on the
our NSEP instructors or advisors, project leaders,
and also may we call on the representative of Barangay officials.
Awan. Here read the citation. Certificate of Appreciation is presented to Barangay 20 San Pablo, San Nicolas, Ilocos Norte. Given this 18th day of April 2026 in Barangay 20 San Pablo, San Nicolas, Ilocos Norte. In recognition its invaluable support, active participation, and strong commitment to the community-based learning program titled Empowered San Pablo, a life skills extension initiative aimed in enhancing literacy and developing essential competencies in home economics, food and service management, garments, electrical technology, and information and communication technology. Among identified learners, its collaborative spirit and dedication to the educational development have greatly contributed to the success of these initiatives. Faculty,
Mr. Nathaniel Dave Gatchalian, faculty in charge, Pinawag 1A Sign. Marie Dale R. Sagayano, faculty in charge, Bitibited 1A Sign. John Nico D. Ombao, faculty in charge, Bitibited 1B in charge, Sign. Romnick R. Agag, NSTP coordinator, Sign. Mr. Johnson Modesto A. Blanco, OIC Chair, Civil Department, Sign. And Ronald Candy S. Lasatin, PhD, Dean, Sign. Mayor also read to you the citation. This certificate of appreciation is presented to Honorable Noel A. Joaquin, Punong Barangay, Barangay 20 San Pablo, San Nicolas, Ilocos Norte. Given this 18th day of April 2026 in Barangay 20 San Pablo, San Nicolas, Ilocos Norte.
palakpakan, Ubi.
Palakpakan!
Thank you so much.
Another picture.
For the thank you.
mismo ang tayong TPLF department, di ba? Okay, thank you very much. At this juncture, to formally close our program, may we give the floor to Mr. Lawrence Nathaniel D. Adoon, PISEA President, to deliver his closing remarks. Palakpakan tayo matubig.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. As we come to the end of this meaningful endeavor, allow me to say a few words. On behalf of the PISEA, we would like to express our deepest gratitude to all the people who made these initiatives possible. First, to our dedicated NSTP advisors, thank you for your guidance, support, and commitment in shaping these programs into a purposeful and impactful experience. May you continue to be an inspiration to serve with compassion and responsibility. To our respected barangay officials, from the bottom of our hearts, we sincerely grateful for your warm welcome, cooperation, and unwavering support. May your doors continue to be open in allowing us to connect with the community and carry out future activities. To all the children of San Pablo, San Nicolas, Ilocos Norte, thank you for your active participation, involvement, and openness. Alinko, thank you for attending. Thank you ti Pinagumayo ti Manong nga Sabado for our NSTP and for our 2 days as the PISEA joined. And mostly, especially to our NSTP students. The program is a reflection of your dedication, hard work, and heart for service. What you're doing today goes beyond fulfilling a requirement, but it is a step forward, building a better future for the community, especially for the children who look up to you. Your actions today and for how many sessions of your initiative, it planted seeds of hope, learning, and positive change that will continue to grow long after this program ends. May you continue what you have started today. And as you move forward, may you become the perfect epitome and the perfect living embodiment of what the words ang kabataan ang pag-asa ng bayan. And to our dedicated advisor, Mr. Christian Jeffrey Palitek, thank you for guiding us, for your support and all. And this program reminds us that community-based initiatives are not just activities. They are powerful opportunities to build connections, uplift one another, and create lasting positive change. And because of these initiatives, we collaborated, we shared responsibility, and we are able to address real needs and strengthen the spirit of bayanihan within our communities. And as we conclude our program, may we carry forward the lessons we have learned and continue to serve with empathy, dedication, and genuine for others. And kanyayo being sapay ko mga taami tinasusuyo for this program of the NSTP in kay kadi bitbitan as you grow and as you age. And once again, thank you to everyone who became the part of this journey. And may you continue making a difference. Maraming salamat po and mabuhay tayong lahat.
Thank you, Mr. Lawrence Nathaniel Diadaon, for a wonderful closing remarks. Truly, that it helps the student enjoy and learn in meaningful way, integrating knowledge, skills, and service for community empowerment.
That's right, partner. It builds connection, confidence, and teamwork. I am June Corpus,
I am Teacher Mariel.
your host for today, officially signing off.
See you around, everyone.
Thank you very much. Okay, may tingoy kagpilan at din ko, tay alaen, tay Jabi tayon. Wait for the photo opportunity.
Photo of country. OP.
All
Students. June, where are you?
Yes, partner.
Pag-asa'y lumalakad sa bawat aklat at labis pangarap ay buhay sa pagbabasa at pagsulat kinabukasan ay taglay mula GLRCD asa'y kasama rin at SMT at GLD servisyo sa bayan natin literacy is power.
May we call and meeting with 1A?
Video ka lang.
AO.
Sigaw ng puso ng
1A.
May request limited one. Please proceed to the stage for the photo opportunity.
Ito,
FSMT and COMHS, please.